Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope all are fine, stay safe and stay happy. In today's video, I'll show you how to make betel leaf rasam, which will be the best remedy for cough and cold. So to make this rasam, we are going to ground fresh rasam powder. So these are the things which we need to make the rasam powder. Now heat a kadai or pan. Drizzle some oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Roast it well without burning. When the color changes, we'll add the next one. So here I am adding half tablespoon of chana dal and half tablespoon of tur dal. Again roast it well. Now we can add the remaining things like 5 dry red chilli, half tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. After adding dry red chilli, you can roast 1 or 2 more minutes, then switch off the stove and add half tablespoon of asafoetida and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. When it cools down, grind it to a fine powder. So our rasam powder will be ready. So look at this one. These are the health benefits of betel leaf. The most important thing, it lowers your cholesterol. So we can add this in our menu like food once in a while. So now these things need to be grind as a paste. To make rasam, first one betel leaf. I have taken 5 fresh betel leaves. Next, 1 small size tomato, 3 garlic pods and 1 green chilli. Finally, half spoon of peppercorns and half spoon of jeera, cumin seeds. Add everything to a blender jar and blend it to a coarse paste. This is how it looks like. And also take tamarind pulp from 1 lemon sized tamarind. Now to a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 5 to 6 fenugreek seeds and half spoon of mustard seeds and also half spoon of urad dal. So once it splatters, add a sprig of curry leaves. And 1 dry red chilli. Now add the paste which we blended coarsely, that betel leaf paste. Saute it for a few seconds, till the raw smell goes. Here I am adding 1 spoon of salt, rock salt. Next goes in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here goes in 1 full spoon of rasam powder. Now you can add tamarind pulp or tamarind juice. The pulp or juice which is extracted from 1 lemon sized tamarind. So that will be good for this rasam. So if we add 1 cup of tamarind juice, for example, we should add 2 cups of water. So now check salt, sourness, everything. If you want anything extra, you may add now. So for my taste, everything is perfect. So now I am going to add some coriander leaves. So these coriander leaves are fresh from my balcony garden. So here our rasam is ready. Switch off the flame when it starts to boil. Immediately after switching off, add half spoon of ghee. Close the lid and leave for 2 or 3 minutes. Just after 3 minutes, our flavorful rasam is ready. So this rasam is rich in antioxidants, also keeps your body and skin young. The most important thing, rasam is also ideal to detox the body. Do try this flavorsome rasam at your home and let me know have you liked it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.